Oh, are we doing this together?
Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh, watch your fingers. Hello and welcome to this training video about how to stay home. You don't need any prior knowledge of staying home to complete this training.
We will be guiding you through 8 simple guidelines on how to stay home safely during this lockdown.
The key thing to remember is to remember the guidelines and follow the guidelines.
The training should take about 5 minutes to complete. Don't rush, but don't take longer than 5 minutes. So, listen to these guidelines and have fun, but only when the guideline tells you to have fun.
If in doubt, think stay home. S-T-A-Y-H-O-M-E.
S is for staring. Staring is underrated. Stare at the wall, the ceiling, the floor. Spread your time evenly between these 3 places.
T is for time. You've got so much time now. You can do all those things that you've always wanted to do. Look inside the tap.
A is for arguing senselessly with the people that you're in lockdown with. Find a toenail on that toilet seat? That's at least 10 minutes of an argument right there.
Y is for use your imagination. Have you seen that new online trend where moving furniture makes your room look like somewhere else? Move some chairs around. Look, you're in the waiting room of the job centre. Pick up an envelope. Now you're in the post office.
H is for hello. Say hello to your friends using current apps such as Bebo and MySpace. Do make sure to screenshot your activity and post it onto social media, otherwise, did it even happen?
O is for open the window. Get some of that breeze in.
Stop! Did you know that opening a window counts as leaving the house?
M is for me time. We all love a bit of me time. See how much me time you can have in one day.
E is for
If none of the suggested guidelines work for you, why don't you spend your entire Saturday filming useless video content for your friends and family?